Advances in dishwashing never seen before. The new M-iClean H from Myco. Brilliant dishwashing results and ergonomically easy to work with. The new M-iClean H from Myco brings everything under one hood. Finally, making light work of dishwashing is easy. The M-iClean H with the revolutionary automatic hood system features unique dishwashing and working convenience. Easy to operate, thanks to the consistent ergonomics concept. Work faster and more efficiently, thanks to the automatic hood system with rack detection. Optimum indoor air quality and maximum energy efficiency. Maximum investment security and sustainability. With the M-iClean H, working becomes harmonious and ergonomic. No strength-sapping opening or closing. No more unnatural overhead work. Everything is lighter, easier, and much quicker to do. This not only pleases the operating personnel, but also the boss. Fewer absences from work save personnel and operating costs. So it is no wonder the M-iClean H also wins top marks in workplace evaluations. In many dishwashing areas, the air is hot and of a poor quality. The innovative technology of the M-iClean H solves the problem from scratch. The automatic vapor extraction system with self-cleaning function reduces steam emissions by up to 80%. Compared to conventional technology, it provides the best indoor air quality. And less steam means less hygiene problems. The M-iClean H for great air quality. The M-iClean H can do much more than just that. For example, save valuable energy. Thanks to its innovative heat recovery, it saves up to 18% of expensive energy. Super! When the hood opens automatically, the dishwashing process has finished. Thus, the M-iClean H regulates dishwashing processes fluently and shortens them. Up to 30 minutes can be saved per shift. Valuable time that the personnel would prefer to spend doing other things, for greater variety in everyday life. Where should the operator display go? Quite simply, wherever it suits the operators best. On the left or right of the machine, higher up or lower down, or directly on the wall, always at eye level. The M-iClean H is flexible, meaning that you can make lighter work of dishwashing. Because for us, the motto is state-of-the-art, ergonomic dishwashing. Work fluently and smoothly, and the operating elements are always in view, with clearly understandable signals. Perfect. For perfect dishwashing results, the water quality has to be right. Therefore, the M-iClean H uses geotechnology. It cleans the water of almost all foreign substances and minerals, and also bacteria and viruses. The M-iClean H thus washes with water of a high purity. It couldn't be more hygienic. The engineers at Myco do not just think about washing though, but also about rapid drying and convenient handling. Therefore, the M-iClean H has a completely newly developed drying table with integrated air blower. The washware is dried at lightning speed and cooled at the same time. Therefore, crockery and glasses can be stored away or used again immediately. The M-iClean H automatic rack detection system is amazing. The machine starts automatically as soon as the rack is loaded in. And because the M-iClean H features a particularly high passing height and can easily accommodate bulky items, heavy manual work when dishwashing is a thing of the past. Finally! Myco has always been very sparing with resources, but the M-iClean H takes this to new heights. The integrated heat recovery system reduces energy costs by up to 21%. The machine therefore pays for itself in the shortest possible time. Heat retention, a real innovation from Myco. Nothing escapes via the open hood in the dishwashing area. Heat retention, a cool idea. The M-iClean H is setting new standards in ergonomics, ease of use and efficiency, and is packed with innovative details. And of course, the revolutionary automatic hood system. This makes light work of dishwashing and is more ergonomic and faster. With the M-iClean H from Myco, you are choosing an advance in dishwashing that is sustainable for both your health and your wallet.